Hello everyone, absolutely clean window washing. Coming to you here with a video of heat line installation we just performed on this house here. Very beautiful house on a lake. They were having a lot of problems with ice buildup, especially in the valleys. We did every valley on this house. This particular heat line here is a 200 footer. It runs up the roof farther than the overhangs, so basically it runs into the interior of the home and zigzags up and down the roof. It goes down into the valley and then it comes up the valley and all the way back down. We tied it up around here on the corner nicely and finished it out the length of the roof here. And he was actually having some ice freeze up around the satellite dish here. So what we did to finish out the installation is we went right around the satellite dish. So he'll have a nice radiant heat source there. That whole plate is actually going to be warm from the cable touching it, and it's just going to radiate right around. And so basically, no more ice. So that's one section of the roof here. I'll take you over to another section here. So we started this one here over in the corner. See here in the shade, but we started over here in the corner and we went up and down, and then we went up the valley, down the valley, and then we started on the overhang. And this one here, he had a lot of ice buildup right over his deck down here, and so he was having a lot of concern about the danger of the icicles hanging down over people, and so this should eliminate his problem on this side. And on the other side, he's got the same exact issue over here. Overhangs over a deck, and he had a lot of issues here. So on this one, he started over here on the edge, and he wanted to hang these lines off the roof a little bit, so we left them up here. Clipped them on there nicely, and we just basically left them up here so when winter comes he can just unclip that one, hang the extension cord over the side of the building, and plug it into a extension cord. So this one we ran a little bit differently because he was having some different issues on this side of the building. We ran all the way up by this heat duct here because heat comes out of here and creates a lot of ice right down, straight down from there. So keeping that particular area of the roof warm was of great importance there. So ran it all the way down there, and up here we actually have it running 4 times up and down here. This area of the roof here was another really bad one with ice dams, so we fixed the problem again. We actually ran this side in the gutter and all the way down the downspout. So he's got it coming, the plug-in is actually coming out on the ground, so he can just plug that one in right on the ground. So in this corner here, might be kind of hard to see, but we have it running down in here, and then it runs all the way through the gutter and back down, and then it runs underneath here because there's a gutter under here, and then it runs back down towards the downspout and down the downspout. And the plug-in is on the ground. So, and then it also runs up here on the roof like that. So it basically comes out of the gutter, runs up and down, and then back up here, and then up and down, because this particular area here is really bad. And so then we went down and straight up the valley, and then we went over the ridge cap, and we came down on the insides, all the way down, and we left it overhanging all the way down to the gutter, so it actually will allow the water to get into the gutter there. And we came back up the valley and all the way back down this valley, and then we zigzagged back up and down to use the rest of the cord and to keep even more of that section of the roof warm right there. So folks, absolutely clean window washing, experts in heat line installation. You can find us on the internet, just type in heat line installation MN. You can also type in absolutely clean window washing, find us. Our phone number is 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185. We look forward to any business that you might have. We do window cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure washing, ice dam steaming, heat line installation. We clean ceiling fans, chandeliers, blinds, and we do everything with integrity, folks. Again, this is absolutely clean window washing, heat line installation, MN. This roof is about not even 2 years old, and he wanted to make sure this roof did not get damaged by ice dams. So we did everything in our power to make sure this roof would flow and not freeze and back up on him anymore. We were on this job, me and one other person, about 6.5 hours. And we made sure that we covered every single area that was a problem for him. So again, folks, if you have heat lines that you need installed on your roof, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185, or you can also find us on the web, Absolutely Clean Window Washing. Thank you for watching this video, everyone, and I hope you have a beautiful day, and we look forward to your call. We're fully insured for all of our services, so don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you. 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185. Thank you, everyone, and have a beautiful day.